Okay, this is Alekos and Kyler. Hi guys, how are you?
Pretty good.
And you guys have done some robotics competitions with some Legos. Can you kind of show us what you did?
This is our first tech challenge
Okay.
robot.
What's the first tech challenge? What is that?
This is a high school competition.
Okay.
It's worldwide. There's 2,700 teams that compete.
2,700 teams. All right. And it's like, how do you compete against people in other countries?
Well, there's qualifier level competitions, and then regional, super regional, and then they come around from the world.
Okay.
So we go to St. Louis.
And so the idea is to build a robot that destroys the other robots?
Of course.
Of course.
No.
So what do you got here? Tell me all about this.
All right, so this is our robot, and it does multiple actions. It picks up blocks and then delivers them behind us. Usually there's a wall we're pressing into, but you can see that.
And so what, you have like a challenge that you're given, right? Is that the
Yes.
thing is you're given a challenge and then,
There's two parts to it. There's an autonomous, which you program it to do something, and then there's the teleop. And during the teleop, you want to pick up blocks, deliver it. You want to, in the end game of the teleop, you want to lift your robot up onto a beam, and then you also want to turn a flag up by cranking it.
Okay.
And there's the spinning on the back.
Okay, and so you're controlling this with like a regular game controller?
Logitech controller.
All right. Right now, describe what's going on.
We're driving the robot
Okay.
with 2 joysticks.
Okay, so why do you have 2 joysticks?
One is to control the drive, and the other is to control the arm and the scoop.
Okay.
And the crank.
So who's controlling the arm right now?
I am.
You're controlling the arm, okay.
And then I'm controlling the robot.
Can you drive and do the arm at the same time?
Yes.
Like walk and chew gum and do that? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Don't take my bag away. All right. Okay, so you guys won the competition? Is that what you're telling me?
The competition's still in progress, but
So you're going to win the competition?
maybe.
Okay, that's
And,
cool.
but that's our robot from last year, and that got 7th place in the world.
In the world?
Yes.
All right, that's
And it
awesome.
also went to Australia for an invitation.
Okay, so I noticed that you guys are in the Lego booth here. I know you're all right here in the Lego booth. What is this robot, which doesn't look anything like a Lego? What does it have to do with Legos?
The brain of the robot is a Lego NXT Mindstorm brick.
Okay.
And so we program on a computer and then download it to that. That allows us to control the robot.
Are the rules say that you can only use one brain? Can you put 2 brains on it?
We can only use one NXT.
Oh, wouldn't it be awesome if you could do 2 brains or like 3 brains or something? It'd be like Terminator or something. That'd be awesome, huh? Okay, so when's the big competition? When are you going to win?
This Saturday.
This Saturday. All right.
In
So
San Antonio, it's our regional.
and you're going to win. You're going to kick some butt, right?
Hopefully, yeah.
All right.
We're thinking we can get one award called the PTC Design, and that's the overall look and functionality of your robot. And we think we have an advantage there because we custom built almost all our parts, unlike most FTC teams, which use the standard Tetrix designs like you see on the other robot.
What is FTC?
The First Tech Challenge.
Oh, okay. First Tech Challenge.
And
Okay.
so a lot of the parts we manufactured ourselves from raw materials, like water jetting the sheet metal to cut in our design.
Okay, so you guys are in some kind of like a career and technology class to do this?
This is an after-school extracurricular that we do in teams.
Okay.
And we 3D printed this. We designed it in a CAD, SolidWorks.
Like, he's not letting you like grab it. He's like.
And then also our.
So you did that in a 3D printer?
Yes.
Okay,
And
cool.
then our crank is also 3D printed.
Okay.
And certain parts of our robot, one which isn't on here right now, we have a small part which holds the Samantha module. This was made in a CNC machine, which carves it out of plastic.
That's awesome. Okay. So guys, congratulations and good luck.
Thank you.
And thanks for taking some time to, let me move back here. Thanks for taking some time to talk to us. Say hi to El Paso.
Hey, El Paso.